Hello everyone, I am in Copenhagen for the next 3 to 4 days. Selena and I have just broken off and kind of just went our own ways for a couple of hours. So right now I am at City Hall, just starting my a little adventure by myself. We went for a free walking tour this morning, and I'll insert all the clips that I got from that. There was only 3 other people, so it was kind of awkward. I didn't really want to take the camera out, but it was super cool, super fun, definitely super informative. They're all free, and then you just tip at the end. It was 2.5 hours, and he was super informative, so we gave him, I think, US 30. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Hopefully it was good, but yeah, I'm just gonna be walking around right now, and right now I am headed to a tower and trying to get a good lookout spot. So as you can see, super pretty. I love all the orange roof buildings. I'm going to insert more of the footage that we just saw on the tour on the free tour this morning that we took. Dave, you were amazing if you're watching this. I know you were not, but super cool. It was English speaking. You could also do Danish and Spanish that they also had. But yeah, I didn't talk, I just took a bunch of clips, and they're just really pretty, so I hope you enjoy. No idea what we're doing tonight or really the rest of the time. I know we're going to try to go to Christiania, I believe that's what it's called, tomorrow. And if you haven't heard of it, it's pretty much like a no government area of Copenhagen, across the bridge. No cameras or phones are allowed, can't video anything there, but we'll see. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I think we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. It is very cold here. It's with the wind, it's gotta be in the high 20s, low 30s. It is absolutely freezing, but I'm having so much fun. It's beautiful everywhere you go. You'll see in the videos. Every corner I turn, I just see the most beautiful buildings, and I will definitely be coming back in the summer because I think it would just be so fun. We're going to try, oh my god, it's so windy, but we're also going to try to do one of those canal tours. Not sure if we'll get up to it. We'll see what's in our budget and everything, but I will keep you guys updated. But enjoy the videos that I took during the tour. We have made it to New Haven Canal. We already took some pictures of me, and now we're going to go take some of Selena. But here's a little snippet. Good morning everyone. We are still in Copenhagen, Selena and I. Say hello. Hello. We woke up to snow this morning, and I haven't seen snow in 4 years, so it was very nice to see. It kind of blizzarded a little bit while we were walking over here, we walked separately kind of for a little bit, but it blizzard. Selena says it hails.
There's more hail than snow, for sure.
I took cover actually under a building, but now we are we are at Rosenborg Castle, and we are at the entrance right now. So this is our view. The snow honestly makes it look so pretty. The lions out front. There's a bunch of ducks over there. How do we like Copenhagen so far?
Pretty nice. This is hail, not snow.
Yeah, no, it definitely is. We like Copenhagen?
Yeah.
I think a lot of people think Selena is from here. Yeah. Or at least from...
Well, I was walking, and somebody was asking me a question, and I was and he was oh, America. I was yeah.
But yeah, so far we are loving Copenhagen so far. Are you liking Copenhagen or London better so far? very different.
It is very different. I think London's more my vibe, but it is kind of nice to like chill here, whatnot.
Yeah, it's definitely less hectic.
Yeah.
More peaceful. I think people are nicer here.
Really?
Yeah. We also have no.
I guess. Yeah.
Well, I get, yeah, I don't know. But we have also met, at our hostel, we've met honestly 4 now. Like really cool people. 2 of them are from Amsterdam or the Netherlands. 1 is from Sweden and 1 is from the UK. And we got dinner with the girl from the UK yesterday. She's super nice. And then Selena and I, her and the guy from Sweden all went and got a drink at the bar last night. It was super fun. But yeah, today we're just kind of exploring. It's our last full day in Copenhagen, so we're trying to do everything. We're going to probably go up the round tower again, or I went up a different tower, so do that one. Go back to New Haven, or is it New Haven? New Haven, is that what the canal is called? NYHAVN. I think he says it's called New Haven. And then we are to take some pictures, and then we're going to go to Christiansborg, which is the community town in Copenhagen that has like no government, but you're not allowed to film in there or take photos, or at least in the main square. So we'll see what we can do, but yeah, we're just going to explore, hopefully try to get like traditional Danish food, which I know is like fish.
I thought it was like sandwiches, like the upside whatever sandwiches.
Open face? Yeah, that's fish though.
I thought you said there was like meat.
Yeah, you can, but the traditional is fish.
I'm gonna get meat.
That's fine. Well, or you could he said you could get like a platter, and you get like 5.
Yeah.
Which
I just want to have like a traditional.
Yeah, we could maybe like split that too.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just exploring around, taking some photos. It looks like it's clearing. No, you cannot really see that, but it definitely looks like it's clearing up for blue skies. So hopefully,
which is the first blue skies we've seen since we've been here. It's been like cloudy.
Oh, Copenhagen. I'm like,
yeah.
what are you talking about?
No.
London was
London was pretty nice, but here it's been like cloudy.
Yes. Traditional. It's not bad. Pretty good.